Hey, rope, this thing should be useful. Hey, come over here, you motherfucker. Come here, come here.
Oh,
You can try the tying. I got the rope. Come over.
okay.
Okay. Put your hands up, crouch, and shut up. Can you crouch? Yeah. Okay, what do I do now? There. Now hit
C-
remove from.
come right behind me.
It says remove from squat. So hang on, I'll try remove it from squat. And wait. How the fuck
Two Gaylord is again.
doesn't work? Do I need to put it in my hands? Remove from hands. Examine. Put your hands up. Ah, yeah, I got it.
Oh,
Woo.
nice. Yo. My gun's gone.
Yeah. What do we need for the? How you doing it?
I press F and it's
Ah, you
loading
got the
up.
you got the option, yeah.
But you can tighten it up, I think.
Okay, can I remove you? Yeah, I'm Titan. Titan bites. Yeah, I can tighten
Yeah, and
it more.
yeah, you see, and then my struggling is now reset.
Yeah.
I can try again. Can you untie me? Oh, you kidding?
No, my God. If someone is watching.
That's fucking too.
I can. I can.
You fucking, you fucking moron! I can't believe.
Imagine if someone was watching this video like ah, and I was sleeping.
You do
Okay,
know, huh?
and the rope is full. The rope stayed full, dude. Do I know?
You do know I'm recording. Shit.
Do you? Hey, you must make a video. Just
Ah, shit.
cheating. That was brilliant. And make it even with that. Yeah, can you untie me and then?
Oi, put me in the squad.
Oh yeah. Hang on. Yeah, I
You
wanna
want some
try it.
cheese? Yeah.
Oh, cheers. Hang on. Can I do it? Put down. Can I do it again in the squad now? Yes, I can. Okay.
Okay, sweet. Don't do it. I'm off.
No, no. Listen. Now we need to make that sack back. Let's make the sack back, and I wanna try it with the head.
Shit, here. I don't
Yeah.
want. I'm too exposed.
So, come off the window. So, hang on. I'll put it. Why can't I put it in my hand?
Some, someone opens the bloody door. See the two Gaylord.
So you take this. You take the sack on the ground, and you put it.
Can you put it once you tied me?
No, you have to put it on your head.
Really?
Yeah. So you put the equip.
Oh shit.
So now I try to tie you.
Oh, this
Oh,
looks
put your
scary, eh?
heads up. Put your heads up.
What my heads up? My hands?
No, so yeah, head. Sorry.
Well, I don't see anything, so fucking I.
Yeah, yeah, you're doing well.
That's what are you doing?
And
Okay,
hey,
so what the?
you right click on your. No, 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 no! Don't do this. Just tell me if you got the option. You can unequip your sack from your head. Now, if you got tied hands, do you
I
have that
can't.
option?
No, I can't do anything. I can't even open the inventory.
Oh, because if your hands tied, you can't have a mouse. Yeah.
I have a mouse, but I
Yeah.
can't.
So press tab. Press tabulator.
Yeah, nothing happens, man. I'm telling you,
Mm,
nothing
It
happens.
worked. It worked for me. Hang on. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. I cannot tie you if you move it.
Wait.
Okay. So we tried other way. So you put it on my hand.
And now I can open the inventory. Yeah.
Oh, I lost the rope. You fucking joking. Ah. So now you can remove it. Now you can remove the sack.
Yeah.
Okay. But when you tie it, then you can't do
I
it,
can't
yeah?
do anything. Can't even open
Okay.
inventory now.
That's sweet.
And then if I'm tired, then you can open my inventory. Yeah.
I didn't try. You shouldn't. Should I? Oh, actually, I
Yeah,
should.
you should be.
But I didn't try, and we lost even the sack and even everything. Never
Oh,
mind. But
the sack is there.
okay, but we don't, I don't know where the rope went. Probably.
Let's go to boot camp. Fucking enough
What?
for this gay shit.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I just. Cool. It works pretty good, you know.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good feature, but probably, like you say, nobody gonna use it because we kill the fuckers anyway.
But, yeah, maybe. Maybe you will find one day someone
Oi,
going to try
small
to.
AK ammo, 1 box.
Fuck the AK, I need cars.